In a world disrupted, there is one thing we all know is true. People come first.
We believe that people first means embracing what naturally motivates and drives us as individuals.
From the production floor
to the boardroom.
To provide people with resources that enable their most natural self to shine in their role, on their team, in support of clients, and in the business community.
This is why we exercise scientific team architectures that ignite individuals' drives to identify and value the role of each person within a team.
We inspire organizations to deliver powerful solutions that fuel positive change in their lives and in the lives of our clients.
We believe inspired people inspire others to unleash their potential and reveal solutions to some of today's greatest challenges.
Together, we collaborate, create, and innovate to shed light where there's confusion.
to reveal solutions where there are struggles.
And to foster positive change where there's unfruitful routine.
We may not be big and we may not be glamorous.
But together, we are powerful.
Innovative.
Thoughtful.
Agile.
Creative.
Smarter.
Courageous.
Compassionate.
Reliable.
And bold.
We are the building people.
Smarter buildings, smarter people, smarter solutions.